Let's learn how to create the popular auto velocity edit in CapCut. This velocity effect is trending on TikTok and Instagram Reels, especially in gaming and Roblox videos, and it's super easy to apply. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. The first step is to head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and ensure that CapCut is up to date. If it's not, make sure to update it so you have access to all the latest features. Once your app is updated, open CapCut and import the video you want to edit. In this example, I have a video of a girl dancing. Next, add the audio track that you want to sync with the edit. After you've selected the video, click on Effects, then tap Style and scroll through the available effects until you find the Auto Velocity under Video Effect category. Select this effect and wait a few seconds while CapCut applies it to your video. The final step is to adjust the speed of the effect. Click on Adjust and set the interval between the beats. You can choose a gap of a few milliseconds or 1 to 2 seconds, depending on the style you're going for. Once you're happy with the edit, export the video to your photo gallery. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.